Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix ForzaHorizon6.exe bad image status error 0x blah blah blah. Basically this error right over here. So just before we do begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So first things first, open up your start menu right over here and then type in Windows Security. Open it up. Over here, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Protection history right over here. And find any related for Forza Horizon 6. Click on it and click on Action. And you should have an option here that says choose Restore or Allow on Device. Go ahead and click on it. Once done, exit that out, or actually back out of this, and on the same page for virus and threat protection, scroll down and click on manage settings right over here. Scroll down once more, on exclusions, click on it, and basically click on add an exclusion, click folder, and find the folder, the exact folder for Forza Horizon 6. Click on it, select folder, and it should pop up right over here. Go ahead and close it out and relaunch your game entirely, and make sure that you restart your Steam with exit Steam right over here. If none of those works, open up your Steam, click library, right click on your game, manage our properties right over here. On the left panel, click install files and verify integrity of game files. What it's going to do, it's basically going to fix any corrupted files or missing files that might affect the issue that keeps popping up on your screen, which is the 0x blah 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 bad image error. So wait for it to finish. Once it's finished though, go ahead and close it out, relaunch your game. If the problem still persists, right click on your game once more, hover up to manage, browse local files, right click on your game, properties right over here, click compatibility, click on full screen optimizations, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator. Click apply, OK, and relaunch your game from the folder itself, and it should be fixed. Now, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.